Hi guys, good morning. Today early morning I came here to paddy field and uh, here nearby have a small canal. Uh, my son very happy and he enjoying the life. So here has a small fish. You wait a little bit, you can see we can get the chemotherapy free of charge from the small fish. No need pain. My son now played here. Then fish one by one coming. Can you see little one? Came here one. Come someone. His leg shaking. Then fish afraid, and they went somewhere.
What do you?
You see around the background. So very nice, no? That capture. Yeah. Now we are going home. We will see next video.
Bye.
He is so happy.